Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick product review, product installation, and shooting video with this Python paintball feed neck adapter for the Tippmann A5. Now the Tippmann A5 typically comes with a cyclone feeder. This particular cyclone feeder was broken and I actually had to order some parts for it from Tippmann.com, Tippmannparts.com, excuse me. And I got the parts I needed. I kind of need this banjo piece here, and I think that'll get that working. But anyway, as I was on that site, came across this. This really interested me because this appears to be a feed neck that will just bolt onto your A5 without any type of modifications to the marker at all. But what I find interesting with this is this will allow me to utilize any typical gravity fed or battery operated hopper system, which is kind of cool because I personally haven't seen it. I've seen a couple of guys with I think it was MCS on YouTube like 5 or 6 years ago talking about this particular feed neck. Haven't seen anybody with it on regular videos of it actually working or using, other than them trying to market this thing. So anyway, I took a shot, I ordered it, and now I'm going to install it, well, review it, install it, and see if it works. So let's get to it. Just open here. Okay, it comes in a pretty sturdy package. I mean, it's pretty solid. Packaging, it's good. Comes with 2 Allen keys. Looks like a plug screw and the adapter screw. And I don't have an X7, but I think this might be for the X7 because I don't see this part anywhere in my A5. So the unit itself looks pretty good. You can kind of see comparisons here. It does look like it'll just slip right in and bolt on. Yeah, it's got a nice size cutout here, the same place where the angle piece would go. Alright, looks promising. It does feel a little plasticky. Yeah, maybe it might be aluminum, I'm not sure. Let's see. Maybe some very good quality 3D printing. I know it's not metal, that's for sure. I don't have a magnet. Oh, I do have a magnet. No. Alright, see if this is metal of some sort. Nope. Nope, that's metal. The screw has some magnetism to it, but that screw right there seems to be the only thing that is truly magnetic on that. Alright, so it's either plastic, aluminum, or something. Anyway, let's get this on the A5. As you can see, I already have the cyclone off the gun, so this installation should be quick. If you don't know how to take off your A5 cyclone, I guess watch some other videos on how to do that. There's a lot. Anyway, so this seems to just go right on here. Huh. Look at that. It actually works. Well, it actually fits anyway, I should say. Don't have a light to show inside. Anyway. Let's see. Which screw is this? Is it this screw? So we're gonna slam this guy on. Alright, that's the one. It threads. And it fits nicely in the hole. So let's just do this here. Sorry, trying to do this and get it all in camera for you. Looks like that just sits on there. So the screw in here. Alright. There we go. Alright, it seems to be on. Doesn't look like it's getting in the way of anything. Let's get this hopper on here. So apparently, well, it looks like it's pretty much set up there. So what you do is, once you get this feed neck on, you just tighten this screw up to whatever tension you need. There you go, it's installed. Alright, we'll gas it up, load it, and go shoot this thing. Whoops, forgot one part. Gotta plug up the other air hole here. So that extra screw here that comes with the kit has a little O-ring on it, and it just sits right in here. Oh, that's weird. The key ring they gave me does not correspond to the nut that is there. That's not a problem, but FYI, if you do happen to get this kit, just know that you might need to get your own tools. Alright, good thing we have a bunch here. Let's figure out what size that is. There we go. Oh, it's a little over tight there. Alright, now we'll gas it up and shoot it. Alright, so we got it all hooked up. Hopper on, tank, got about a little under, let me get on camera here, a little under 3,000 psi in my tank here. And we're gonna shoot it. Got a whole hopper here. See if we can dump this whole hopper without any issues. Alright, we had a couple of misfeeds there, but I think it's just a standard gravity feed gun where if you're not really running around and moving, it's just gonna stop and you're gonna do a little shake. Other than that, fed all the way through, no issues, no stoppages, no breakage. So I would consider this Python paintball adapter for your A5 a good. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Alright, so final thoughts on the Python feed neck adapter for the Tippmann A5 and X7. I gotta say I'm overall pleased with it. I'm not pleased with paying 80 bucks for it. I think this price could be a little bit lower. I've seen a lot of the other feed necks for the 98 custom and all that, you know, they're like 20 bucks. Now, I know it's a supply and demand issue where, because I believe these might be the only people actually making this, I haven't seen this anywhere else. Like I said in the beginning, it was just by sheer luck. I was scrolling through the Tippmann A5 parts page and this was on there, so like I said, I took a chance. But for 80 bucks, yeah, it's kind of on the high price for me. But overall, price aside, fit and finish and functionality, it's there, man. I mean, again, I think this is some kind of a plastic. It really does look like a 3D printed piece here. So will all of them come out exact? I don't know. I've messed around with some 3D printers, and there is some stuff that, you know, you will have to file and shape to make things work. But I must have been lucky because I got this straight out of the bat. Plug and play, man. It works. What I like about this system, pros about it, is that it doesn't require air to function like this. This requires air, and the moment this system fails for whatever reason, whether your air is not flowing or something, or that chuck breaks at the bottom, you can't use your gun. Well, this actually allows you to use it no matter what, and I can actually run any hopper system I want. You know, this is just a standard 200 round Tippmann hopper. You can go ahead and get one of those electric ones from one of those other companies that make them. You know, hundreds of them out there. You can pick which one you want. But I just decided to go directly with a Tippmann, just because, you know, got the parts one time. Just ordered everything direct from them. But as I said, you know, overall, I like it. It doesn't use a lot of air. It functions fairly well. I mean, as far as the little stoppages I had in the previous part of this video, I think a lot of that just has to do with the fact that that is a gravity-fed hopper. So just standing there and squeezing rounds off, you know, gravity-fed hoppers are known to jam up sometimes, and you got to give them a little shake in order for the balls to fall down. Again, you eliminate that issue when you're running a electronic hopper. But overall, I mean, seems like it's working good. I have no issues. We'll wait for this quarantine stuff to end, and then I'll take it on the field and try it out. All right, you guys have any questions, comments, you know where to leave it. Check you guys later.